Developments of these British nationals affected in France.
So authorities in France confirming there are 5 new coronavirus infections that have been detected there. All of them are British nationals. Now, what we understand is they were all staying at the same ski resort. One of those who've been infected is a child. And they said that one person had returned from Singapore. This is what the health minister said. That original case was brought to our attention last night. It is a British national who'd returned from Singapore, where he'd stayed between January the 20th and the 23rd, and he arrived in France on January the 24th for 4 days. Now, their condition is described as not serious at the moment. We, of course, know that the latest British national in the UK to be confirmed as testing positive for the virus earlier this week had also returned from Singapore. And certainly reflecting on that case yesterday, authorities in the city-state raised the risk level to the second highest level. That's orange, basically saying that the virus was easily transmitted but could be contained. There is one higher level, red, which they haven't raised it to yet. But certainly already just that action alone has sparked panic buying in some of the supermarkets now, as people are really concerned that they will see more cases.
And you mentioned the number of cases, very close in China to overtaking the number of people killed by SARS now.
Yes, that's right. And the President Xi Jinping has waged war on coronavirus. And we're seeing unverified reports this week of a woman being pulled out of a supermarket in Wuhan, reportedly for not wearing a mask. Also, people being dragged from their homes by authorities in hazmat suits because it's believed they have the virus. And it's claimed that these reports, which, as I said, are unverified, are a symbol of China's ongoing efforts to try and contain the spread, because we are seeing death numbers rise, we are seeing infection levels rise again. And as you were saying, we are getting to the point now where we're likely tomorrow or in the coming days to overtake the death toll of SARS, which in 2002-2003 was 774. That is likely to be surpassed. What is important to note, though, with the new coronavirus is just because there may be more cases, it doesn't mean the mortality rate is actually higher at this point. The new coronavirus seems